Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Padmaja Nandigama. I'm a psychology faculty, life coach, motivational speaker, and an academic advisor. Today, I'm going to talk to you about positive communication. Before I go there, I want to say a few words about communication. Communication is a tool which helps us connect with other people so that we can express our emotions and feelings. Communication could be verbal and non-verbal, and also communication could be positive or negative. Positive communication could also be by a physical stroke or a verbal stroke. Physical stroke could be a hug, a handshake, or a high five. Verbal stroke could be a praise or a compliment which we give others. So how does this positive communication help? Research has shown that positive communication, meaning saying good things to other people, helps spread positiveness. It increases happiness around. It generally makes everybody feel good so that productivity increases, stress levels are down, and there are happy relationships around. So let me give you an example. Today I just stopped by near my grocery store, and at the checkout, the store clerk made a nice conversation with me, which left me leave the store with a happy smile. Before I went to the store, I was tired. It was at the end of the day. But after talking to the clerk, the smile, the conversation made me happy. The endorphin levels increased. My stress levels came down. And I came home happy, made a hot meal, and spread the happiness around. That is the effect of positive communication. Let me talk to you about bucket philosophy, which says that all of us carry an invisible bucket. And if somebody says good things or bad things, our bucket either gets filled or emptied. For example, if somebody praises you, your bucket gets full. You feel happy, elated. And if somebody criticizes you or say negative things to you, your bucket gets empty and you feel awful. Similarly, we also have an invisible dipper. And if we fill other people's bucket with our dipper, we make them happy. Also, we make ourselves happy when we are filling other people's bucket. On the other hand, if we dip into other people's bucket, we empty their bucket and we make them unhappy. In turn, it makes us unhappy too. So the point here is do good, feel good. It's like a ripple effect or a domino effect. When we do good to others or when we say good things to others, we spread happiness, and that happiness is carried forwards, and then it comes back to you sometime later. So how do we apply this to our real life? In our home setting, we can increase positive communication by complimenting your child for the hard work they do at school, or complimenting your spouse for helping you set up the house or keep the house clean, or find some reason to compliment people around. At work, you can compliment your peers for the good work they do, so on and so forth. If you observe around you, you see that people who are popular are generally happy people. They're happy because they're spreading positive reinforcement. They're making other people smile. They're making other people worthwhile. So that is the effect of positive communication. What happens when you spread happiness around? Your endorphin levels increase. You increase your neurotransmitter called dopamine, making you happy. It then brings your stress levels down. It increases your productivity. Your relationships get better. You are generally a happy person. You live happy. You live longer. You live a healthy life. So it's a win-win situation. All we need to do is make other people happy so that you can feel happy about yourself. Spread the good word, spread the cheer around, be positive. Thank you for listening to me. See you again. Bye.